Hello students, next example, that is acetic acid reduction with HI in the presence of red phosphorus. It gives alkanes. Acetic acid reduction with HI in the presence of red phosphorus, it gives alkanes, that is CH3 single bond CH3 plus water plus I2. So now here student, that is in this reaction 6 moles of hydrogen iodide is involved. 6 moles of hydrogen iodide is involved, that is acetic acid react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus. In this reaction 6 moles of hydrogen iodide is involved to give alkanes plus water plus I2. Here 2 moles of water and 3 moles of iodine. This is the simple trick student. I will give explanation in mechanism. I will explanation student. Next, that is mechanism student, that is mechanism of acetic acid student. I will explain mechanism student. Acetic acid mechanism with hydrogen iodide. In first step, now what to do student? In this acetic acid react with HI, how many moles of HI is involved student? 6 moles of hydrogen iodide, 6 moles of hydrogen iodides are involved. So I will give explanation in mechanism. CH3 C double bond OH student, CH3 C double bond OH. In this first step student, you see it is this mechanism 2 steps reaction student. It is 2 steps reaction student. It is in this it is 2 steps reaction student. In first step is 3 moles of hydrogen iodides are involved. In first step here 6 moles are there. Out of these 6 moles, only 3 moles of hydrogen iodides are involved. So here in the first step, now what to do student? This OH react with 1 mole of HI here and 1 mole of hydrogen iodide here and 1 mole of hydrogen iodide here. Simply remember student. So now next, now first step, now what to do student? Now first step is water is elimination. Water is elimination. Water OH from here, H from here, and same thing, and here also 1 mole of water student, and OH oxygen from here and 2 hydrogens from here, adjacent hydrogen iodide. One more student, that the acetic acid react with, in first step here 3 moles of hydrogen iodides are involved. 1 mole of hydrogen iodide here, 1 mole of here and 1 mole of here. In first step, now what to do student? That is first step is water is elimination. Here 2 moles of water, 2 moles of water is elimination. 1 mole of OH from 1 mole of water molecule from here, 1 mole of water molecule from here. So remaining, now what to do student? Here 2 iodines are left. 2 iodines are left. Here also 1 iodine and here also 1 iodine and 1 more iodine from here. Total in this reaction 3 moles of iodines are left. So now what to do student? In this next step, now what to do student? Here CH3 same thing. The C here also 1 iodine, here also 1 iodine. These 2 iodines will attack on carbon like this. Remaining 1 hydrogen, this hydrogen will attack this position and this hydrogen will attack this position, and remaining 1 hydrogen will attack and this position. We get that is iodine. This is the next compound strength. Now everything is balanced. The carbon surrounding 1, 2, 3, 4, everything is balanced. Is in this, it is a 2 in this reaction 6 moles of hydrogen iodides are involved, but in this mechanism in first step already 3 moles of hydrogen iodides are involved, and remaining how many hydrogen iodides are in, how many hydrogens are left student? Remaining 3 moles of hydrogen iodides are left. These 3 moles of hydrogen iodides are react with again 1 mole of hydrogen iodide here, HI, and 1 mole of hydrogen iodide here and 1 mole of hydrogen iodide here. Simple trick student. In first step is 3 moles of hydrogen iodides are involved. In this first step is water is elimination. Now second steps, now what to do student? Again the remaining 3 moles of hydrogen iodides are present. There 3 moles of hydrogen iodide again react with this intermediate compound. These 3 moles of hydrogen iodide again react with this compound, and after that in next step, now what to do student? In this step These iodines are elimination. In this step, these iodines are elimination, that is dehalogenation. Here 3 moles of iodines are eliminated. 2 iodines from here, 2 iodines from here, these 2 iodines are left, elimination. Here also 2 iodines are elimination, here also 2 iodines are elimination. So remaining now, remaining what are there, students? Remaining, that is hydrogens are there, that is here also one hydrogen, here also one hydrogen, here also one hydrogen. This hydrogen, these 3 hydrogens combines with this carbon, we get, that is final product is CH3, CH3. This is final product, CH3 plus total how many iodines are there, student? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 3 moles of iodine. This is 3I2. This is a simple trick for student. This is simple mechanism of carboxylic acid, student. In acetic acid reduction with HI in the presence of red phosphorus, it gives ethane. In this reaction 6 moles of hydrogen iodides are involved. So in this mechanism, student, in first step is 3 moles of hydrogen iodide involved. In this first step is water is elimination, that is dehydration. Then next second step, student, here remaining 3 moles of hydrogen iodides are involved in second step. Then after that, student, that is dehalogenation. In this step is dehalogenation. Here complete halogens are elimination. Then after that remaining 3 hydrogens are left. These 3 hydrogens are 1, 2, 3. These 3 hydrogens are combined with this carbon. We will get, that is CH3 single bond CH3. This is the mechanism of carboxylic acid reduction with HI in the presence of red phosphorus, student. This is the simple trick, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching, student. If you like my video, please click on like, please don't forget, please click on like. Thank you.